Hey guys, welcome to the channel The Earthen Pot. Today we're going to prepare the Gar Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. So here we go. So I've taken 1 kg of mutton, add up salt and then coriander powder and goes turmeric powder and then red chili powder and just ginger garlic paste and fresh mint leaves. Trust me, this gives a very good taste to the biryani. And then let's add up some salt, fried onions, and then let's give it a nice mix. So you must be thinking there would be other ingredients. Yes, there are, but before that we give it a nice mix and let the pieces get coated nicely in this dry masala. There you go, you can see the piece is nicely coated, and then here we add up yogurt. There you go, and now let's go ahead and give it a mix. Ensure all the pieces are nicely coated, so the masala and everything is there. Wow, here you go. And then I'm adding up Kevra water to this, do not forget, and some lime. I am using 2 lime here, lime juice. And now we're going to add up oil, and this is the same oil in which we fried the onions. Give it a mix. There you go. So the moment when you add up the oil and when you start mixing it, you can actually feel the pieces, the lamb piece becoming so smooth, man. There you go. So now we are adding up garam masala or biryani masala and some again fried onions. And now let's go ahead and pressure cook this. So in case if the lamb is not tender, you can even add up papaya paste. So this one is tender, so I'm going to take roughly 3 to 4 whistles. And here you go. So after 3 to 4 whistles, you can see the mutton is properly cooked. But do not overcook it as well. Here you go. You can just check the piece once. Now, so the main part here comes. We'll take some water, add up all the dry spices that you have, add up some chilies, mint leaves. Okay, here you go, zira. All the spices, I'm grabbing all the spices that I've got in my kitchen. And now the main ingredient is salt. So ensure that enough salt in it. And you always need to go ahead and taste the water. Ensure the quantity of salt is there so that the rice absorbs the salt and it gets nicely cooked. And here we are adding up oil to the water so that the rice does not stick and it's nice, gentle and open. And now I'm adding up some lime juice to it, so the rice will actually absorb the lime taste as well. And now I'm getting it to a boiling point. I've soaked the basmati for almost 30 to 40 minutes, and once the water has come to a boiling point, that is where we are going to add the rice, the basmati rice. Now let's let this get cooked. Ensure that it's almost cooked 90%. I've taken the mutton in a handi, and now I'm adding up the rice. I'm removing the water, and I'm slowly putting on the rice on top of this mutton. I've turned on the gas. It is already on, and on a very low flame. I am just ensuring that the rice is properly spread. A layer of rice, and then I'm going to add up golden fried onions, and again a layer of rice, and in between this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep spreading the rice. This will ensure that it's not getting stick to each other, and you will have a nice open rice coming out at the end. And here I'm going to add up some coriander powder to the rice, so that when you take out the rice, when you eat the biryani, you get the goodness of this coriander powder as well. So Once done with the coriander powder, again I'm going to add up some rice to it and then keep spreading it, and ensure that you're not pressing it too hard. uh, the rice needs some gap in between them, so that when you cook it, it's nice, and the length of the rice again increases as well once it's cooked. Now again adding up golden fried onions, and here we have ghee. There you go, my friend. This is the main ingredient when you're preparing the biryani. It gives such a nice beautiful texture and smell. Wow. Adding up mint leaves to this, and to make the biryani look more exciting and more colorful, I'm going to add some color to it. It's optional. If you like it, you can. And now I'm going to put on the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes on high flame. Now, so this is what I do. I actually put on some weight on it so that the pressure does not releases out. So after 15 minutes, you have the wonderful mutton biryani ready. Wow, you can see this, the aroma, the goodness of all the spices. So I'm separating the rice first, and then let's dig deep into the pieces. Here you go, you can see the pieces very well coated in all the masala. It has absorbed all the masala and it's so nicely cooked. Wow, I can't wait to grab a bite of it. And as I always say, you don't have to impress someone with your look when you know how to cook. Take care, friends.